Hey guys, it's Steffi and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a unicorn inspired look with great thanks to Shylah who has requested this one. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial and please don't judge me for my horn. It is a homemade one. Let's get right into this and see how I created this look. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is use the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base or Primer. We're going to grab some of that now, like so, and prime this base. Working on those areas that I get the most oils, which is my T-zone here and here. And now I'm going to get some foundation. So I'm going to get the Flower Beauty. This is the Light Illusion Foundation, and this is what I'm going to be using today to do my face. And I'm going to use this foundation brush and literally just putting some foundation on like so. And I'm gonna pop my hair back and give myself a nice good base to start off with. I'm gonna use this mirror to see what I'm doing. And try not to get my hair in it. I hope that you're all doing well. It has been crazy. If you guys don't know it yet, the boys have only recently come home. And it is so lovely to have them home with us. Our beautiful twin boys are so cute. Right, I'm just gonna grab a bit more foundation and just pop that on the lower part of my face just because I need a bit more coverage. Now when I'm at home, I generally like to use a beauty blender. But I forgot to grab my beauty blender today to do this tutorial, so I just decided to use a brush. So I've gone and I've put my foundation on. I'm going to now work on some of my eye makeup. I'm going to grab the Flower Beauty concealer and we're going to just pop this all over my eyelids like so and give myself a good base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just grabbing what I use to put my concealer on, and that is just an eyeshadow brush like so. And we're just going to just pop this all over the eyelid. Now you guys can probably tell I have gotten a bit closer to the camera today, and that's just so you guys can actually see what I'm doing, because I feel like this is probably a bit easier for you guys to see now what's happening. So now I've got a good base, as you can see. It's nice and heavy concealed. We're going to go in and put some colors on. So I'm going to use a Sephora Precision brush, like so, Sephora one. And I'm going to go in with this beautiful color here. This is one of those shimmer pigment pots, and this is called Pretty Pink. This is by Australis, but this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna pop it on the cap on the camera so you can see. We're not focusing today, camera. There we go. So it is gorgeous. It's this beautiful shimmer and I have got it everywhere, but it is going to be worth it. We're going to pop this all over the eyelids. So I'm going in with my precision brush, dipping it into this like so. It looks like beautiful pink dust, and we're literally going to pop this on the outer edges of the eye. So all I'm doing is I'm just working my way, I'm doing like a triangle. I'm working that in, getting this gorgeous, gorgeous color and pigment on my face, because this is beautiful. Just so pretty, but it's so light. Like, if you can see that, I'm not sure if you can. It is very, very light. Not as dark as I was expecting it to be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm grabbing the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights Artistry palette, and we're going to add a bit more pigmentation onto my face. So we're going to go in with this shade here. This is a gorgeous pink shade, and this one is called Reckless. Beautiful pink there. We're going to go in with the same brush, and we're just going to dive into that shade like so. So you can see it's really pigmented, and we're going to pop this where that pink was. What I'm going to do is leave that shimmer underneath it because I think it's pretty cute. I'm going to drag it all the way out to this part here. Really get that nice crisp line. Nice crisp line like so, and I'm just going to go and tidy this up now with a bit of concealer. So going in with a bit of concealer on the brush, I'm just going to flush it on there just so I can get a bit more of a precise marking. Alright, that's looking a bit better. Now I'm going to go and grab this beautiful blue color here. This one is called Don't Stop, and we're going to go next to that shade. I've just touched it up a little bit with some foundation, just because it's a bit easier than concealer, just to get that perfect line and make it a bit more even. So what I'm going to do again is just go in with that nice pigment, so this pink pigment here, and go underneath this one here, just to give it that nice look like this side has. What I'm going to also do is just put a bit of color underneath the eyes there. So we're going to use those same colors and just pop them under here. We're going to start off with that pink, and we're literally going to line the underline of this like so, just lightly, and do the same with the other eye like so, and then we're going to do the blue. So same thing in this area here, just to give it a bit of color underneath the eye, you know, so it looks like so. And then what I'm going to do as well, because I think this would look really, really cute with this, is I'm going to grab this purple here. So this one is called Euphoric, and I'm going to go and pop this into my inner parts here. So same brush, going into that. Parenting duties 101. All right, so I'm back. Just had to settle down our little boy Zave man. So where were we? Oh yeah, so inner corners. I'm actually going to use this. So this is a Australis pigment pot. This is a shimmer, but this is in glistening gold. So it's very, very pretty. This is what it looks like. It is literally like gold. It's very pretty. So we're going to go and pop this on the inner sections of our eyes, going in with the same brush, getting it in nice and perfect like that. And we're going to dab that in just to give it that beautiful shimmer, and we're dragging this all the way up like so. So it's really magical, and let's put it everywhere, because who doesn't love some glitter? Look at that. That is divine, guys. What is in my hair? Glitter. I've got glitter in my hair. There we go. Look at that. Gorgeous. So we're going to go and do the same with the other side and just make that magical moment happen. If you hear any sounds in the background, that is little Xavier. He likes to be part of the show, you know. He's part of the tutorials. Alrighty, back again. So now, where was I up to? Oh yes, we had the glitter foam. And then, so now the next thing that I want to do is do some eyebrows. So we're going to go and use the same eyeshadow palette, might as well. And we're going to go in with this brown here. So this one is called Makeout Sesh. So we're going to use that. We're using a Sephora angled line brush like this. We're going to dip straight into this shade. Oh dear. This shade like so. And get a bit of eyebrows happening. I'm doing it super lightly because I want it to look a bit more nicer. So like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of that euphoric color, so that purple, and we're going to add that into the eyebrow because I think this will be really cool. So it looks like so. It's really cool. I like it. Next thing that I'm going to do is put on some eyeliner. So I'm using the K-Pop Australis eyeliner, and this is in the color black, and we're just going to go and line on my eye lines like so. I love that. Look how beautiful that is. We're going to do the same with the other side. Make it nice and thick. And what I'm going to do as well is just add a little dot here, because I think this would be really, really cute. All right, so I've got the eyeliner on like so. We're going to go and mascara my eyes. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. And so we're going to mascara these eyelashes up, ready for the eyelashes to go on. Okay, so I've got the Duo Lash Glue, and that's what I'm going to be using to apply the lashes. And the lashes that I'm going to use are these ones here. These are just an eBay and MAC eyelash. I've chosen these purple ones because I think this will look really cool with this look, but it's still got the black tinging on there, so it will be easier to blend with my lashes. So we're going to grab one of these lashes like so, give it a bit of a bend so it fits to the face a bit easier. Grabbing some of this lash glue, and then I'm going to literally just pop a nice good amount on. I'm going to focus really on the ends because I always seem to have troubles with the ends sticking. And then I'm going to pop this on my eye. So it's just that slight purple. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's just a slight purpley tinge. Kind of goes with my eyebrows. It's really, really cool and cute. I love it. So we're going to do the same with the other eyelash. All right, so that's 2 eyelashes on now. Looking very, very cute. I love it, and I love how I've done that little dot there. It's making it very, very adorable. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going in with the small contour brush by Sephora, and what we're going to do is make these cheeks nice and cute. So we're going to go and peach this up, or like make that nice pinkish tone to the cheek. So the first thing I'm going to use is this one here. So this is called Strobin. It's like got a bit of pink tinge to it, and I think it'll be very cute. So we're going to grab into that right now. And I'm just going to grab a heap of product like so. And then what I'm going to do is just structure out my face a little bit. Just give it a bit of color. I'm using this like a bronzer, mind you. And really give me that nice peachy glow. You can see it's just that nice tinge. And then what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this Australis. This is a Highlights Mineral Face Highlighter. So this is in the shade Pearl, and I think this will be perfect for this look. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of this onto the brush like so. A lot more than what I expected to put on there, that's for sure. And what we're going to do is really just pop this on the cheekbones here and make this cute, beautiful, dewy look. Make it shimmer beautifully on here. And then I'm just going to blend it out because let's face it, unicorns love sparkliness. I'm going to put a bit on my nose. Really, I don't care if I look nice and dewy because it is good for a unicorn to be that dewy. All right, that's very, very cute. And then the next step is to work on the lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a combination of a few colors. First color I'm going to use is this one here. So this is the Australis Velour Lips. I love the Velour lips. They seem to be really, really good products. And this is the matte lip cream. This is in the shade London or London. And I'm just going to pop this all over my lips now. I love, love, love the smell of these. They smell like bubblegum. It's so good. I just want to eat it. I want to eat it all up. And I mean, this is a cute pink shade. All right, so that is the lips done in that shade. What I'm going to do next is grab this one. This is another Velour Lips matte cream, and this is in the shade Malibu. Definitely like the Malibu Barbie. So we're going to grab this because I think this is gorgeous, and pop this on the lips as well. I'm just focusing it on the inner section, almost using the other color as like a liner. There's that one. And then, yes, there is one more. So what I'm going to use is this, yes, another Australis product. This is called Mermaid Dreams, and it's a holographic lip gloss. And I thought this is the perfect opportunity to trial this. That is my dogs. To trial this out. All right, so I'm not sure what the dogs are barking at. I think it might have been the neighbors, but that's okay. This has been a very, very interesting tutorial. Hopefully we'll get through this one. So this is the Australis Mermaid Dreams holographic lip gloss. This is in the shade Venus, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to finally get my hands on and use this one. So I'm literally going in with this on top of this. Oh, it's a bit dry. Oh, this is gonna look so amazing once I get some of this product on. What I will say is that I thought it'd be a lot more juicier, that's for sure. I thought it's gonna be a bit more holographic-y, but that's okay. What we can do is we can make it. So what I'm going to do is going in with the precision brush again, and I'm going to go into this pink in that pigment pot, and we're just going to pop this on the lips, because let's face reality here, there is no limits when it comes to makeup, and I really just want something extra. And all I'm doing is, because it's nice and dewy, I can just put it straight on the lips. That is super shiny, super yummy. I love it. Okay, and then the final piece, we're gonna add the unicorn head, because this is my make do unicorn, because I don't have a unicorn head. So improvisation. I just found a bit of plastic around, a bit of hair ties, and some colored paper to make my unicorn head. Gotta get creative somehow, hey? So I'm just going to clip this to my head. It's a huge, oh, and we lost lighting, oversized, that's all right. Okay, let's try it a different way. Look appropriate, I'm not sure. Oh my goodness, why did I pick this color? It's going to be like a crown. Like a queen crown. Don't mind my my unicorn horn, guys. Okay, I had to improvise and come up with something pretty creative, because we're stuck in isolation. So this is all I had to work with, okay? Please don't judge me on my crown. Oh, I'm not sure what happened to my poor thing. Look at it. Alrighty, huzzah. It is sitting on there. Alrighty, guys. I finally got my horn to sit on. I apologize for anyone who's like, what is going on here? But this is all I could come up with in such short notice and with ISO. This is all I had to make do with, guys. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Please stay tuned for my next tutorial video. And let me know if you guys have created any unicorn heads and unicorn horns and how they turned out, because this was definitely a very interesting one. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all next time. Love you all. Bye.